Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So we're gonna do a little multi-palette bingo with all the Menagerie palettes now that I have the whale song. I thought that might be fun. Also, I recolored my hair finally. I love it. By the time you're seeing this video, it's after my birthday, but I wanted my hair color fresh for my birthday just because, I don't know, I wanted to feel good. And I actually tried out one of the Lime Crime hair colors for this. I used Bubblegum Rose, and I think it's a very lovely color. I feel like Lava Girl in the flesh as an adult. Anyways, I have the 4 Menagerie Cosmetics palettes. We have Dragon Child here, which unfortunately is getting discontinued, but you can buy all the shadows individually. Looks like that. And then the Feral palette, which is so good. This is such a lovely palette. I adore the color story so much. I have the Micro palette, the Courtship palette. I dropped this palette and busted this Bestie shade up a while back, so need to replace that shade. And then the new one is the Whale Song, which looks like this, and I love it with my whole entire heart. It's so pretty. Can't get enough of it. But regardless, I figured what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw one shade from each of these 4 palettes randomly, and then at the very end for the 5th shade, I'm just going to total up the total number of shadows out of all of the palettes and draw one more. So there'll be 5 shadows, and I don't know where the 5th one is going to come from, but I thought that might be fun. I'm also going to do these in chronological order of how they came out so that they can, I don't know, I just like to have a reason behind why I do the order. There are 12 shades in most of these palettes. We're gonna do the Dragon Child first, and we got number 5. We got Stone Drake, which is a really pretty lavender color. I love this shade. For the Feral palette, we got number 1. Yay, we got Harmonia. I'm so glad I have the revamped shades. They replaced 2 of these shades in the palette a while back, and I'm happy that that is the shade I get to play with. So far, I'm excited. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like in my last Menagerie bingo, I got both of these shades. I don't know though. In the Courtship palette, there's only 6, so I reset it 1 to 6, and we got number 5. Oh my gosh, we got Besties. We got my fave. I love this shimmer. It's the prettiest duochrome ever. It makes my heart skip a beat. This is looking so much like my first one, I feel like. I could be wrong. I don't know if I got these shades, but it reminds me of it a lot. I know I got Besties in that video because I was really excited. And now for Whale Song, I reset it back to 1 to 12, and we got number 7. We got the shade Bubble Net. I love this shade. I used it quite a lot when I was playing with this palette when I first got it. Ooh, this is really cute and cohesive. Let's see if the 5th shade is going to throw it off like crazy. So there are 42 shades total, so that's what I'm resetting this to, and again, it's going to be just in chronological order of how they came out so I can figure out which shade we got randomly. And let's see, we got number 41. Okay, so we got the second to last shade. So we're going to dip into the Whale Song palette, and we got the shade Splash right here. I love the shimmer. Oh my gosh, this is going to be such a cute look, I think. I'm so excited. I have no idea what we're gonna create, but I'm going to zoom you guys in. I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Sigma eyeshadow base in Ignite, and I'm not gonna set it because I don't do that, and we'll create some look. I'm excited. This is a really cute color story. Thank you, Palette Bingo Gods. I'm really hype. All right, so I have my eye primed, and I think I want to dip first into Harmonia from the Feral palette, and for that, I'm just gonna use this little kind of tapered blending brush. This one is from Morphe. It's the E17. And I'm just going to start focusing that in the outer corner and then start bringing it through kind of the remainder of the crease. I have a vague idea on what I want to do, but I also don't know because there are so many possibilities with this color story. I got a very cohesive one this time. My camera just died, so I had to change the battery. So if I suddenly look a little different, the angles are different, then that's why. But yeah, I am just working this from inner to outer corner. Just building up this pretty shade. I love this color. I really like it next to my hair color. Gives me like old school Barbie vibes. So next I'm gonna dip into the Dragon Child palette, and I'm gonna take Stone Drake, and I'm gonna use that to start blending things out. And for that, I'm gonna use this Morphe M573. But any blending brush will do, whatever suits your fancy. And I'm just going to start kind of going back and forth over that outer edge to buff and blend. What are you guys up to today? It's July 5th, the day that I'm filming this. We spent all of July 4th literally just doing nothing. I edited for a few hours in the morning, but other than that, we just stayed on the couch all day long and watched all of the new Stranger Things. It's been a long time since I've just done nothing like that. And it felt weird, but it felt really good to just do nothing. Not gonna give any spoilers or anything, but the new Stranger Things was fantastic. The ending was crazy, and I just loved everything about it. So if you haven't seen it yet, go do it. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and just kind of pounce over this outer edge in my crease because I like to do that. I'm gonna totally wipe my blending brush off to get it as clean as possible, and I'm just gonna go back through and work on it some more. And I'm gonna go back through with the brush that I used with Harmonia with no additional product, just to re-intensify some things. I like to just go back and forth a million times because it really just solidifies the gradient. I do not think that was the right word, but whatever. And now I want to dip into the Whale Song and take Bubble Nut to start deepening things up even more. And for that, I'm just taking this little e.l.f. crease brush. It's similar to that E17 I just used, but this one's a little bit smaller. And I'm just focusing that just a wee bit tighter in my crease and more so in the outer corner and a lot so in the lower lash line. I really want this heavily smoked out down here. I'm going to go back with that first brush with no additional product that I used with the Harmonia shade to buff and blend. And now I'm going to go back in with my largest blending brush that I used with the lightest shade with no additional product. There we go, those are my words. Just to buff and blend all of this even more. I am liking the vibe, it's so pretty. Now I think I want to take Splash from the Whale Song palette and I'm going to pop this on my lower lash line. More so focused in the front because I love this effect lately. Today totally feels like a Monday because Zane and I were both off yesterday because he just had the day off and I took the day off. And the only day we usually both have off is Sundays. So now I'm so thrown off. Does not feel like my birthday is in 2 days. But like I said, this is in the past for you, so that'll have already happened. So now for my lid, I'm gonna take the shade Besties. Of course, I couldn't not put that all across my lid. I'm gonna do that with my NYX Glitter Primer, of course, and I'm gonna use a very flat brush to do kind of a faux cut crease with the Besties shade because I love that effect, you know? So I'm just gonna take some of that glitter glue on my flat brush. I'm going to just kind of stamp it across my lid and then kind of carve out where I'm going to kind of place that shade, dipping right into it with that same brush. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm just going to start kind of carving my fake cut crease. I'll dip in just a little bit as I need to. And now I actually want to dip into Splash. I'm just going to use that same exact brush, but I'm going to flip it over to the clean side. And I'm just going to pat that kind of right in between, just to start getting a nice gradient between the matte teal and then the shimmery one and then the shimmery pink. I think that'll all just flow really cute across the lid. Look how cool of a color that is making. Holy cow. Menagerie shimmers are just so good. Besides just recommending straight up palettes, I highly recommend just their shimmers in general. So if you were only in the market for some singles, man, get some of their shimmers. They're so pretty. I love how blown out and grungy this is. It's so pretty. And I love this kind of shift across my lid with those two shimmers. For my inner corner, I'm just going to take Besties again on a teeny tiny little brush. Just to pop right there. For my waterline, I think I'm just going to take Totally Teal from LA Girl because that goes with these colors so perfectly. So this is where we are at. I'm going to do the other eye, throw on my lashes, something on my lips, and we will finish this up. So after I did the second eye, I decided that because the crease colors were all so similarly cohesive as far as just the way they went together, I feel like my crease and outer corner area look really boring, so I want to add some glitter. This is my favorite glitter ever. It's the Lucid Dreams glitter from Orglamix. It has so many different iridescent little pieces and it's just so cute, so I want to put some in my outer corner. With chunky glitters, they're technically not safe for use around the eye. I don't think any chunky glitters are safe for use around the eye, but I'm careful but I'm not recommending you do this if you have eye sensitivity or if you, I don't know, I'm not recommending you do it. I'm just doing this because I'm a rebel. So I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and just this random brush, and I'm tapping some of this glitter glue all in my outer corner area. Just very lightly, I'm not really sweeping it around. And then I'm just going to dip that brush right in this glitter, and I'm just gonna start tapping some of that on. Oh, I love this glitter. It always adds just the coolest effect. I used to do this literally all the time, like almost every single day. I love it. I know it's a lot of glitter and this might be too much for some people, but I absolutely love it. I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Then I'm going to throw on my lashes and my lips and we will actually finish this up. This is the final look. I love it. I always forget how much I love kind of tealy, bluey greens next to pinks. I just think it's such a cute color combo. And I love this look so much. The palette bingo gods are on my side. I'm so glad I added the glitter because it gives it such a cute, I don't know, extraterrestrial vibe. I don't know, I adore this glitter so much. You guys don't even know. I would literally wear it every single day, but you guys would get so sick of that. My lashes are these same Bold Face Makeup Lashes Out lashes that I love and adore. On my lips, I went with the Mad for Magenta from Lime Crime. It's one of their plushies, and I tapped the Besties shadow over top of it in the center. And I think it just, I don't know, I feel very cute and colorful, and I'm excited to wear it for the rest of the day. I'm gonna edit for a little bit, eat some lunch, and then go to work all day, and then go to the gym, and then tomorrow starts my birthday weekend. So I'm really excited. Morgan's gonna sleep over, and I don't have a bedtime because I don't have to work on a Saturday this week. But knowing me, I'll still be in bed by 11:30 at the absolute latest, and that is me staying up late because I'm a grandma. So these palettes, I loved playing with all of these together so much. I love Menagerie's formula. They are one of my favorite brands. They are doing such a good job. I can't wait to see what they come out with in the future. I'm so excited for more micro palettes because I think they're so stinking adorable. And I just love them. If I had to pick a favorite right now, it would literally be a tie between the Feral and Whale Song. I can't choose between the two of them. They're just so good. I love them with my whole heart. I guess that's about it though. If you enjoyed this look, if you enjoyed this multi-palette bingo, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what other brands you want me to do multi-palette bingos with. I definitely want to do another one with the Ace Beauté ones now that I have the Oceanic. I want to do Jeffree again now that I've acquired a few palettes since doing my big one. I'm rambling. I still need to do Juvia's Place. I need to redo ColourPop again now that I've gotten a couple palettes. I have a few things I need to do, so let me know what you want to see. If you are not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every single day, unless something happens, but I plan on posting every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.